And welcome to here to today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauds Kisan drones. Regional party in Meghalaya to win the upcoming Union Home Minister Amit Shah interacts with beneficiaries of PM Swanidhi Yojana in Ahmedabad. Southwest Khasi Hills gets one more tourist attraction with the inauguration of Pot Rarai Falls. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has applauded Kisan drones, which provide an effective and efficient technique for the application of liquid fertilizers. Responding to Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya's post on social media platform X, the Prime Minister said the advancement of Kisan drones is leading to an increase in farmers' earnings and improving their quality of life. Cabinet Minister and UDP leader Paul Lingnaw has asserted that regional parties are unitedly going to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, whereas national parties are divided. Speaking to media persons here, he said that UDP and HSPDP are teaming up as RDA to contest the polls, and even party MDCs will work for the party in the upcoming polls. He said that the UDP has a good chance of winning the Lok Sabha polls.
Advantage is that the UDP has teamed up with the HSPDP. Just the UDP itself managed about 28% of the votes from the Khasi Jaintia sector in the last elections, making it the party with the strongest presence in Khasi Jaintia sector. If we combine that strength with the strength of the HSPDP, then we certainly have a very good chance of winning the Shillong seat.
Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah has said that because of Swanidhi Yojana, the Prime Minister has created self-employment and self-reliance among the people of the nation. So far, 1 crore applications have been received in Gujarat for Swanidhi Yojana, in which 76 lakh people have received loans, and about 45% of them are contributions of women. He was addressing street vendors and their families, beneficiaries of PM Swanidhi Yojana, in a program organized by the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. Opposition Congress Saling Sangma has urged the state government to seriously pursue the matter of inclusion of Garo and Khasi languages in the 8th schedule. Speaking to media persons, Sangma said that since the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 5 years ago had passed a resolution to urge the centre to include Garo and Khasi languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, the state government should be more proactive now in following up on the matter.
My knowledge is concerned. So it's been very, very long. And then moreover, it's a government resolution. It is not just a simple opposition resolution or against. It's the government resolution along with the 60 member on the floor of the House. So everybody has accepted and then everybody voted for it. So this way the government should be more concerned, and then government should be more happier to take the resolutions because it has become a bill, on the floor of the House. Since the government has taken the resolutions, so it should have been, follow up the matter seriously.
Christmas fervour seems to have set in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya as the state, along with the rest of the world, is celebrating this special day. Special services are being held in different churches to mark the birth of Jesus Christ, as churches have been illuminated while a large number of devotees throng them. Commercial areas of the city are bustling with people, while several parts are also being decked up for festivities. Police Bazaar and other areas of the city too have been decorated, sending festive feelers to visitors. Israel said it has arrested 200 members of Hamas in the past week and taken them into its territory for questioning. In a statement, it said some of the suspects had been hiding among the civilian population and surrendered voluntarily. It further said 700 Palestinian militants have been arrested since it launched its military operation and the invasion of Gaza with the aim of eliminating Hamas. However, Hamas alleged that mostly women and children are being killed by the Israelis. The tourism sector continues to bloom in southwest Khasi Hills district, and one more beautiful tourist spot, Pot Rai Rai Falls, was inaugurated at Maurang Lang Laikntoit village. The tourist spot was inaugurated by Maukarwat MDC Garnis Soshang. Speaking on the occasion, Soshang said that the tourism sector has played a major role in contributing to the economy of developed and developing countries in the world, and it is time to further develop the tourism sector in the state. Senior leaders and citizens were also present during the inaugural program.
Kapor na kabatajungi kum kasorkar kum kinong mikmat bat kam tam gejih trilang bat kesnong kipaj ba don kam ban raikut bade ban le na kabataj kam juk kai ni don ni jaka ki itnat akaleng jong ni kari khasi gejungi kerpang ikani ka jaka ni po Pot Rai Rai jin lada kasorkar kapelut ya kepisah aku mak kepelut ya kiwi bentah kalau long gejengkerku ya kimpaj ba kalau long gejengkerku ya ki nong snong.
On the eve of Christmas, the Seng Samla Shnong Maukarwat on Saturday organized a Christmas carol and musical evening as part of its 30th anniversary celebration at Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills district. For the first time, youth from the Presbyterian Church, Catholic Church and Church of God from Maukarwat attended the Christmas carol which set the tone for Christmas. Later, a meeting was also held at Dorbar Hall, Maukarwat to observe the 30th anniversary of the Seng Samla Shnong Maukarwat. A prominent leader from the district, Kit Borlang Nongrem, was the chief guest on the occasion.
Kajian nanti coba seng sama Krishna Muhammad dan Pastor Company yang flash Muslim yang testimoni kaba iba bonus sila keren. Hapren jigen nanti iba hapren jai jigen nanti kiba teng hapren iba haru syakin kha syadai na shamon masadian. Hamrai nakamta jo hero kidau hitam kiba teman kiba dan tengnya kena sampai terekam beberapa prepare in mind papiru mar khampalat ni kata ya syekh mak law ba khe ba ya kendu ya tini kijingere wat khmi nanti ya kijingero namaste ba khilong nang ram wat khmi nanti khan ni kijingero kan sawal hadir.
A pre-Christmas celebration was held at 3 locations of Sintu Kasyar Mission Compound and Lathabo in July. The Office of the District Tourism Officer and District Tourism Promotion Society, in collaboration with Sinjuk Wahe Chnong West Jankli Hills District, organized the pre-Christmas celebration at Sintu Kasyar. The other event took place at 2 churches of the Presbyterian Mission Compound Church and the Lathabo Church. The objective of the pre-Christmas was to promote Sintu Kasyar as a tourist destination with support from Sinjuk Wahe Chnong and other stakeholders. In the Chennai Grandmasters 2023 tournament, Indian chess prodigy Domaraju Gukesh clinched the title by holding compatriot Pentala Harikrishna for a draw yesterday. Meanwhile, Arjun Erigaisi secured the second spot. Both Arjun and Gukesh finished the event at 4.5 points out of 7. Gukesh won the tournament on tie-break. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 18.9 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 8.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 85%, dropping to 66% in the evening. The forecast tells us light to moderate rainfall is very likely to occur at isolated places. And for our viewers who missed out, here is a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauds Kisan drones. Regional parties team up in Meghalaya to win the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Union Home Minister Amit Shah interacts with beneficiaries of PM Svanidhi Yojana in Ahmedabad. Opposition Congress urges the government to pursue inclusion of Garo and Khasi languages in the 8th schedule. And Southwest Khasi Hills gets one more tourist attraction with the inauguration of Phot Rai Rai Falls. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas.